Hi guys, this is Gulleen from Endeavour Study Center. Hope you guys are doing great. Today I am here with a video in which I'll talk about the difference between paper-based and computer-delivered test. So in this video, I'll tell you guys the obvious difference between taking IELTS test on paper and IELTS test on computer. Then I'll discuss which modules have changed if you are taking IELTS test on computer. Also, I'll discuss what to expect in different modules. Finally, I'll wrap up this video by discussing the benefits of taking IELTS on computer. So let's get started. Firstly, the only difference between both ways is that in paper-based IELTS, you'll be writing your answers on a paper with pencil or pen. However, in case of computer-delivered test, you need to type your answers straight on a computer. Now there are some confusion among students if they have to do their speaking on computer or will there be an examiner. Well, in both the tests, speaking is completely in a face-to-face interview with an IELTS examiner. You don't have to do it in front of a computer, so don't worry about that. It's just the listening, reading and writing parts of the test where you need to type your answers on a computer. Apart from this, your test format, question types, time allocated to each test part and content is same for both types of tests. So now, before moving further, I would like to tell you guys, if you need help with your PT, NATI or IELTS tests, we are offering 60% discount on all our PT courses and 25% discount on IELTS courses at Endeavour. So if you want to know more about it or want to book a demo session with us, just give us a call on the given number or you can simply visit our website to contact us. Now I'll explain what changes have been made in computer delivered tests. In paper-based IELTS, the total test time for listening is 40 minutes, out of which you spend 30 minutes on your test and then you get extra 10 minutes to transfer your answers to an answer sheet. However, this is no longer the case if you take computer delivered test. Listening test is shorter in computer delivered mode because you type your answers in their appropriate places on the screen directly. Hence, there is no need for some extra time to transfer the answers. Having said that, you do get some time between sections to check your answers, but no extra time at the end. You will only get 2 minutes in the end to review your answers. Apart from this, you get your headphones to do the test and you get pen and paper to make notes. Next, I'll explain the reading module. In paper-based test, you use pencil to write your answers and you also use pencil to underline the important text. However, in computer delivered test, you will type your answers and you can also highlight the important text for which you need to select the text and right click on it. Another important point is that you can always come back to the previous questions or passages in your computer delivered test. Next up is writing. Well, there's no major difference in this module. You just need to type your answers on the computer instead of writing it on a paper. So if you guys are still feeling unsure whether to take paper-based or computer-delivered test, I'll tell you the benefits of doing test on computer. The first benefit is that the results are quite faster as it is available in 2 to 5 days after your test. However, in case of paper-based, you need to wait for 13 days to get your results. Another benefit is that computer-delivered test dates are available 7 days a week and up to 3 times a day in certain cities. So I would suggest you guys to go for computer delivered IELTS test. So yeah, this is it for this video. If you find this video quite informative, please like, comment and share this video. I'll see you guys in my next video with some other interesting information about IELTS. Till then, bye bye, see you, take care.